Hey everyone, very good evening. Warm welcome to HSPN World of Chemistry. My dear students, just to let me know, is the Baba audible and visible to all of you? This HSP here, my dear students. If yes, I would like to see green signal. If Baba is loud and clear, oh my God, Shantli Mandel, wow, that's really awesome. Punctuality, that's yes. Fantastic. What I can see, let me check it out in the chat section. देवी और सज्जनों, भाई और बहनों, आप सभी का इस HSPN World of Chemistry में सुस्वागतम. Everyone, this is going to be a short and precise session, and I will just deal with most important questions, right kids? Because already in the morning you have had a long class, so definitely Baba is going to deal with just few questions, so that whatever the questions they are previous year PYQs already being asked, Baba is going to deal with all those questions. 11 Shanti Moy Mandel, most punctual kids, most punctual, harnessing, audible and visible. Thank you. Now my dear students, those who are new, let me tell you, Baba HSP, yeah, Shantimani, I'm waiting for that. Till now I haven't got any such great teacher, so I'm searching for a great teacher for you, Shantimoy, but right now nobody is there like who can match your level, kids, right? Now anyways, let's go. This is your Baba HSP. I did my MTech in 2004 from HBDI Kanpur and MSc gold medalist in year 1999. Have been teaching for the last 27 plus years and produced number of ranks, and the kids, they are in government college right now because they got government seat because of their hard work. I was just acting as a positive catalyst over there, my dear twins. And anyways, let's start. If you're ready, I want to see the Josh in the chat section. If everyone is ready, kids, the fire emojis, they should keep on moving and hit the like button. Yes, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And my dear friends, mark your attendance by smashing the like button. Everyone. Raw, kids. Let's go. Let me start with a question. Here is your first question on your screen. This is the first question, NEET 2023. So, let me know the answer in the chat. Josh is very high. That's really awesome. I can see number of students, they are so much dedicated that I'm not having any word to explain, and really Baba is feeling fully accomplished. So here is the first question on your screen. Just try to answer this question, my dear students. Let's see how many of you can answer it. Baba is waiting for your answer. The world is waiting. Shanti Unimondel, your organic is good, your physical is good. Wow, it's a correct option, I think, among this the given options. Which of the following molecule act as Lewis acid? So definitely your answer is correct because it is having lone pair. This is a Lewis base. This is amphoteric. This is also having negative charge. So Lewis base, and this is both. So it is having just 6 electrons in valence shell. So it is in need of electron. So we will say it is a Lewis acid electrophile. So this is the correct answer. Congratulations. First question, you have given exactly the correct answer. So let's see, Neeraj Sai, welcome. Good evening. Now here on your screen is another question. Wow. Now let me give you, this is Manipur question, so it's a homework. Let me say it's a homework for you kids. Manipur question, homework. I will not show you the answer. If you have seen that, by chance you have seen the answer. My dear students, now here is another question. On your screen, this is another question, 31st question. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer for 31st. Bhuvneshwar Nath, welcome Bhuvneshwar Nath. Hey Bhuvneshwar Nath, welcome, 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 welcome. Baba, day by day, your thumbnail is rocking. It's all the team. It's all the team. Nirasai, it all depends on the team. You're liking it. You're liking it. How many of you are loving the thumbnail? That's my team. That's my team. Baba is just teaching. Baba doesn't know how to make thumbnail. Yeah, that's really C. 1111 is going for C. Let me check it out. Acidic buffer is prepared by weak acid and its salt with a strong base. Equal volume of weak acid, weak base, no. Strong acid and salt with a strong base, no. Strong acid, salt with weak base. So let me, Bhuvneshwar Nath ji, pranam, pranam. Great thumbnail, Harni Singh. Wow. Now tell me what is the correct answer, kids. I want to see each and everyone's answer. You're looking like a king. Thank you. Thank you. Now tell me what's the answer of this question. Everyone, just to let me know. Only one answer I've got, D. Oh my God. Santrimani Mandel is going for D. D. Now this is also Manipur question, kids. Let's see how many of you are going to get the correct answer. Since first is the answer. That means your basic concepts are not clear. How many of you want to know how to do this question? How to do this question? Remember that an acidic buffer means weak acid and its salt of strong base. Let me tell you something. Let me give you the knowledge about it. Just wait. If I say that, if I talk about cations, my dear students, now cations, like which cations are responsible for strong base? Na positive, K positive, like this. Which anions are responsible for strong? From HCl, if we are getting HCl, chloride, HBr, bromide, H2SO4, sulfate, HNO3, nitrate. Now, my dear students, if you're forming any salt made up of these two categories, from this category and this category, then that will be known as salt of strong acid and strong base. Salt of strong acid is strong base. For example, if I'm writing NaCl or I am writing Na2SO4, anything like that, if I'm writing KCl or KBr, they all belongs to salt of strong acid and strong base. Now, if I'm writing anything, not taking anything from here, so if I'm writing CH3, COO negative, Na positive. Now, Na positive I have taken from strong. This is strong. This is indicating strong cations. That is indicating strong anions. Now, if I have taken anything like this, this anion does not belong to this category. That means it is weak and that is strong because I have taken Na plus from there. So this is known as salt of what? Salt of weak acid and strong base. Are you getting my point? Salt of weak acid, strong base. Those were the salt of strong acid, strong base. Now, if I am writing something like this, that if I write ammonium chloride, now see, chloride I took it from here. This is anion. I took it from here, but ammonium is absent. So I will say it is salt of weak base, strong acid. Three categories I have told you. Now fourth category. By chance, if I am writing something like this, just see, focus over here. CH3 COO Now my dear friends, remember that this is missing and that is missing. This is not present in this category and that is not present. So I would like to say it is salt of weak acid and weak base. So all the four category salts I've told you. This is the first category, this is the second category, this is the third category, and this is the fourth category. Now let me come back to the same question what they asked, that an acidic buffer. So whenever I talk about acidic buffer, that means weak acid and its salt of strong base. Thank you. Arey wow, Neeraj Sai, thank you. So salt of weak acid is strong base. So let me give an example. If I say weak acid is CH3 COO negative, this is weak acid and salt with a strong base, so it is an example. Or CH3 COOK, this is an example. Are you getting my point? So this is acidic buffer. If somebody is asking basic buffer, by chance if somebody is asking basic buffer, then it is weak base and salt of strong acid. Got it? Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt to anyone? Should I move ahead if everything is clear? Just like Neeraj Sai is indicating each and everything in the chat section. People, you can write down that you are able to understand or not. Everyone if able to understand, so that I can move ahead. Kids, do let me know. Any doubt? You can ask. If everything is okay, let's move ahead. And those who are new, subscribe the channel. Everybody, you have to hit the like button, kids. Okay? So, any doubt in this page? Is there anybody who is having any doubt in this page? Do let me know. If any doubt you can ask, and no doubt, then we can move ahead, kids. We can go ahead if you are not having any doubt. Do let me know in the chat section whether any doubt or no doubt, kids. Do let me know in the chat section. Fast, quick. Kids, quick. Do let me know in the chat section if everything is perfect. You are able to understand. Then green hearts, green symbol, any green symbol. If you're not able to understand, then fire. Maria, welcome. Kids, fast. You are able to understand salt of strong acid is strong base, salt of weak acid, strong base, salt of weak base, strong acid, salt of weak acid, weak base. Now, next question. This question, try to solve it, everyone, kids, if you can. Otherwise, Baba will solve it. Let me see how many of you can solve this question. Baba bite background होता तो print. It's clearly visible. दिखाई दे रहा है. शांति मोई मंडाल क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि नहीं मुझे बताओ. स्लाइड दिख रही है अच्छे से. मंडल, शांति मोई मंडल 30 का सी. भुवनेश्वरनाथ, सबको ये स्लाइड नजर आ रही है? स्लाइड इज प्रॉपर और नॉट? जस्ट टू लेट मी नो एवरीवन. स्लाइड इज प्रॉपरली विजिबल? अच्छा होता बाबा वाइट बैकग्राउंड होता तो प्रिंट कराने में अच्छा होता. वाइट बैकग्राउंड मतलब ओके. चलो नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल ट्राई. ओके, नाउ सी वन क्वेश्चन. भुवनेश्वरनाथ इज सेइंग 30 का सी. Okay, let me check it out. 30 का C. Rest of other students, do let me know what's your answer. आप क्या आंसर है? My dear students, everyone just give the answer. Baba is waiting for your answer. Fast kids, जल्दी से बताओ आंसर. एक बच्चे ने अभी आंसर बताया, मुझे पता नहीं कि सही है कि गलत है. That answer is right or wrong, I am not having any idea. But I'm waiting for rest of the other students. What's your answer, kids? Fast. I'm waiting for your answer. Baba is just waiting for your answer, kids. 5.57, 5.57, that is first. One kid is going for C, one kid is going for A, 30, 30 ka D, all the options marked. All the options marked. That means this is going to be anaconda question, I think. Some are going with A. Santi Moe is going for A. Bhuvneshwar Nath is going for D. That means it's really awesome question. That means मुझे solve करना पड़ेगा. Since A is the correct answer, let's see how to solve it. Let's see, kids. Let's see how to solve it. pH of solution containing 50 ml each of this sodium acetate and acetic acid. Is it a buffer solution or not? Do let me know it is a buffer solution or not. That means sodium acetate and acetic acid. There is what? There is present acetic acid, a weak acid. Just check it out. It is a weak acid. And CH3COONA, it is a salt of strong base. So weak acid, this is your weak acid, and that is salt of strong base. Weak acid plus salt of strong base. So it will form a buffer solution. It will form a buffer solution. Buffer. Now for buffer solution, there was one scientist. His name, Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. What is the name? Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Hasselbalch equation. What is that equation, my dear students? What is that equation? pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of salt upon concentration of acid. Am I right, kids? And one thing we should know very well, that pKa is equal to minus log of Ka. We know this formula. So they have already given pKa. So what I have to do? Only one thing I have to apply. Just see, my dear students, that I will write the formula pH is equal to pKa, that is 4.57, plus log of concentration of salt is 0.1, 0.1, and concentration of acetic acid 0.01. That means 0.01. So what I am supposed to do? Multiply upper side with 100 and then downside also multiply 100. So upper side 100, downside 100. If you don't know maths, if your calculation is weak, then you can do like this. So this will become 1, and that will become this. Remove this 10. So log 10, this remove, this will cancel out. Log 10 value is how much? Log 10 value is 1. So log 10 is 1. Just add 1 to this. So formula answer will be pH is equal to 4.57 plus 1. That is equal to 5.57. You could have done it in the air. आप air में कर सकते थे. Only the thing is that this is the formula of acidic buffer. Acidic buffer's formula, it's given over here. Acidic buffer. कितने लोगों को समझ में आ गया मुझे बताओ बच्चा लोग? Is it clear to each and everyone? The calculation is clear to each and everyone. Do let me know in the chat section. Yes sir, we got it. We are able to understand it. Do let me know. If yes, everyone is able to understand, show me green signal in the chat section. I want to ask that yes, you are able to understand or not, so that we can proceed towards another question. Jaldi se batao. Varun, okay. If you're not having emojis, you can write okay sir, I got it, I'm able to understand. I'm not able to understand. Please repeat it. I want to see. Yes, right choice. Santivani Mandal, right choice. सही है, बढ़िया है, बढ़िया. Now everyone write down, everyone write down. Now next question, I want to see Maria. Very good, Maria, very good. Now kids, here is going to be another question on your screen. Let's see how many of you can try this question. Kids, try it out. Everyone just try it out. Fast, kids, fast. Let me check it out. How many of you are going to get the answer? Varun, very warm welcome. Varun, very good, warm welcome. Here is another question, just see to it. It belongs to NEET 2021. NEET 2021. Let's see how many of you can answer the question. Fast, kids, what fast? I want to see the speed. Hurry up, kids. Questions, you have to solve it in the air. One kid is going for 3, that is C. Gamesh, just a guess. No, you have to clear about the question. 7.75. 7.75. Okay, I will check it. I don't know. Let's see how many of you can try it out. Everyone just try it out. Let's see who is going to get the correct answer. Kids, numerical solve करने में गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. हरनी सिंह, thank you. I'm not Gamesh. Gamesh Viti Aman. Okay, Gamesh Viti Aman. My pronunciation is okay. Gamesh Viti Aman. Games. Chad and 20. I want to see the answer. Harish is going for A, and C. Mandal is going for C. Kids, different people are going for different answer. Oh, it is Amman. Amman, welcome. Oh my God, Amman. Oh ho ho. Let me solve this question. I think you people have tried it out. It's a question of NEET 2021. So I'm going to solve it. I think everyone 11 is going to do it. Okay, let's see. pKb of this is this and pK of acetic acid is this. Now the correct option for the pH of dimethyl ammonium acetate. Can you tell me what is the formula of dimethyl ammonium acetate? How to write dimethyl ammonium acetate? Ammonium acetate means acetate is like CH3, COO, dimethyl ammonium, NH3. I don't know dimethyl ammonium. Very, very tough. But I know one thing. If ammonium is there, 4 hydrogens would have present. So in place of 4 hydrogens, I will write 2 hydrogens and dimethyl ammonium. So this is negative and this is positive. So definitely it is a salt. You can correlate this salt like CH3, say OONH4. Now you can tell me this salt is what? This is a salt of weak acid, weak base. Am I right, kids? Salt of weak acid, weak base. Now is it clear? So same salt is like that. We have to apply formula for its pH. Salt hydrolysis. Salt hydrolysis. Which formula you are supposed to apply? Salt hydrolysis. Salt hydrolysis. So it is a question from salt hydrolysis, and salt hydrolysis question pH is equal to half of pKw, plus pKa minus pKb. Now this formula is not easy. In the examination you won't be able to remember this formula. Formula गलत हो जाएगा तो सब गलत हो जाएगा. मुझे बताओ जितने लोगों ने ये क्वेश्चन किया है, formula is right or wrong? This formula is right or wrong? Everyone just to let me know formula is right or wrong. If formula is right, then what you're supposed to do, just write down this is half, so half, no problem. This is pKw, value is 14. pKa acid, pKa of acetic acid is 3.27, 3.27, and pKb. So pKb is given dimethyl ammonium pK of acetic acid. Oh, sorry. See, don't get confused while writing the values respectively. So this is the pKb and that is the pKa, because pK and pKb first. So pKa is 4.77 minus 3.27. Now what is left? For solving this question, what is left? Only class 6th level maths is left. Only class 6th level YPKW. PKW will be there. Santumoy, this is the formula. You can check. Now let's see. 14 plus 4, 18.77, 18.77 minus 3.27 minus 7, 0, 5, 8 में से 3 गया 5 and 15.50. So half of 15.50 is how much? Half of this. Do let me know. Half of this. 15 का आधा कितना होता है? 15 का आधा कितना होता है? 7.5, 7.5 and 7.5 and 2.5, 7.5 and 2.5, 7.75. So third should be the correct answer. Half of this 7.75. That should be the correct answer. Wow, Amman, you are so awesome. Let me check it out. Yaman's answer is correct. Oh my God, Yaman, you are so awesome. So awesome, my dear friends. Now, can you understand? Baba has solved it. So the answer is, now my dear friends, number of people got failed in solving this. Am I right or wrong? Number of people got failed in solving this 15.50. This is the question. Everyone now got it. This salt is like whatever this salt. So you can consider like this salt and you can apply the formula. So it's all depends on the formula. Baba in my not PKW. Okay, bas thoda time. Who is saying it's not in my? Okay, Akhilans. Welcome, Akhilans. Welcome, everyone. Okay, that's really fantastic, Yaman. Now, congratulations, Yaman, and all the best for tomorrow's exam. Now, my dear student, do let me know, is it clear? Is this clear? PKW should always be there. PKW plus PK minus PKB. Any type of salt hydrolysis, whether it is a salt of strong base, weak acid, strong acid, weak base, weak acid, weak base, all three type of salt hydrolysis. Yeah, if it is not given over there, let me write down all the formulas. Just wait. Let me write down all the formulas. See, salt hydrolysis, I am writing all the formulas. Remember these formulas, kids. Otherwise, you will miss. Salt hydrolysis. First formula I am going to write. Salt of weak acid, strong base. Weak acid, strong base. Example of this is CH3, COONA. One salt I have written. Its pH formula will be pH is equal to half of pKw plus pKa plus log C. Everyone, you can check the Wikipedia or the online that what Baba is writing, that is right or wrong, because here in these formula number of people are doing number of mistakes. Everyone just check it out, whatever Baba is writing is right or wrong. Now second one, salt of weak base strong acid. The example of this is weak base, strong acid, weak base, ammonium chloride. Now I am writing its pH is equal to half of pKw minus pKb minus log C. Everyone just check it out online. Whatever I am writing is Baba writing is right or wrong. Now third one, salt of weak acid plus weak base like CH3 COONH4, pH is equal to half of pKw plus pKa minus pKb. The fourth type of salt does not undergo hydrolysis. Salt of strong acid is strong base, doesn't undergo hydrolysis. Now check it out. All the formulas are right or wrong. Everyone just check it out online and do let me know in the chat section. If all they are right, then do let me know, kids, that yes sir, all of them are right, whatever the formulas you have written. No, that is okay, Harni Singh, but it's a human error, it can happen. So I am asking to increase the faith, just check it out. To increase the faith, just check it out. Everyone just see. Just check it out. Fast, kids, fast. Kids, fast. Do let me know. Let me move aside. If you want to take screenshot, you can have it. But I want to see that what Baba has written is right or wrong. Till now, I am not able to get the answer, kids. From your side, Baba is waiting. Baba is waiting. Fast, kids, fast. Hey, everyone. Is it right? Okay. Why I can't see anyone's chat? Are you writing anything or nothing, kids? No one is writing in the chat, or I am unable to see the chat running. Do let me know what is right, what is wrong. I too can't see anyone's chat, kids. Now another question. Here is another question, kids. Try to solve it. Let's see who can solve it. Now it's late. It's coming late. Maria, Shiv, that's really awesome. Very good. Now I can see the chat. Lag is there, I think. Now another question. Tell me kids, what should be answer of this question? Everyone just do let me know what should be the answer of this question. Do let me know kids. This question. Here is your question. Do let me know kids. Do let me know. One kid is going for first answer and Srivastava. Rest of the others, I'm waiting for your answer. Just do let me know what's your answer. Everyone just do let me know what should be the answer of this question. Kids, do let me know. Here is the question. Everyone just do let me know. Fast, kids, fast. Let me make a drawing. Till that time I can play, because nobody is giving the questions answer. Only one or two people they are giving answer. Mandal has given the answer, rest of the others. Let's see kids, what should be the correct answer. The salty product for a salt of the type AB is this much. AB, though definitely you know that when AB is going to dissociate, it will give A plus B negative. If its solubility is S, then it will be S. So what should be the relation? KSP will come out to be S square. Am I right? S square. Now, already they have given the KSP. KSP value is given. So can I find out S? So definitely from there I can find out S. What to do? I have to write down KSP 4 into 10 raised to power minus 8. That S will equal to square root of this. So the value of S will come out. So square root of 4 is 2, and that is 10 raised to power minus 4 moles per liter. The simple first should be the correct answer, and it's very, very simple. Super easy question. Am I right? Super easy question. Super easy question. First is the correct answer. Now, next question. 26th. Just try to find out the answer of 26th question, kids. 26th. NEET 2020. NEET 2020. Everyone just try to find out. हाँ बिल्कुल सही, आपने आपकी चॉइस बिल्कुल सही है मंडल जी. ही इज अ गुड टीचर. Fast kids, fast. Everyone just make it out fast. I want to see the answer of question number 26. Everyone quick. बहुत जल्दी से बताइए. What is your name, sir? Sir, what is the best strategy for फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री? अरे भाई पढ़ते रहो, ऐसे नहीं करो, पढ़ाई करो. दैट इज द स्ट्रैटेजी. ओके बच्चा, सिर्फ पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी. बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. मंडल इज गोइंग फॉर बी. लेट मी चेक इट आउट. फाइंड द सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ निकल हाइड्रोक्साइड इन 0.1 molar NaOH given that the ionic product is. Very good. Now see, this question is really a good question. You need a little bit time. आपको थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए होगा इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए. Now see my dear students, find out the solubility, and this is NaOH. Now NiOH whole twice. What to say? NiOH whole twice is a big. NiOH whole twice is a big base. NiOH whole twice is a big base. Big base, am I right? Big base. Whereas your NaOH is a strong base. Your NaOH is a strong base. So अगर ये दोनों ही सॉल्यूशन में पड़े हैं तो मैक्सिमम OH कहां से आएगा? यहां से या नीचे से? The one who is a strong base will provide maximum OH negative. My name is Harin Singh Parhyar, HSP sir. Okay, Sartham HSP. Okay. Now NaOH is giving 0.1. Now see, my dear students, if I break NiOH whole twice, so it will get break down like NiOH whole twice will break to give Ni2 plus twice of OH negative. Am I right? Now its solubility is let us suppose is S. It is S. After some time this will be S and this will be twice of S. But maximum OH is coming from this NaOH and that is 0.1. So 0.1 is maximum. 0.1 is maximum. Can I write its KSP value? How to write down its KSP representation? That will be equal to concentration of nickel 2 plus into concentration of hydroxyl ion to the power 2. Stoichiometry will go to the power. Is it clear, my dear friends? Now, if stoichiometry is going to the power, now if I am saying that it is giving 0.1 molar NaOH, the reaction will go in the backward direction and backward direction because we are getting from there also. So 2S plus 0.1, because from here we are getting this, but from NaOH also we are getting this. So this is extra. The hydroxyl ion concentration is 0.1. 2S plus 0.1. So you can say this is negligible as compared to 0.1. This is negligible, but 0.1 will go into the square and this will remain S, and this ionic product in a saturated solution. Remember that अगर कोई saturated solution है तो ionic product is equal to KSP. ये बात भी ध्यान रखनी है. You have to remember, in a saturated solution, if the solution is saturated, then your ionic product ही KSP कहलाएगा. KSP. Is it clear, kids, everyone? Yeah, it's simultaneous solubility, or you can say common ion effect, you can say. So you have to keep this value in place of hydroxyl ion concentration. So this is 2 into 10 raised power minus 15. This is, we don't know, S, and that is equal to twice of S plus 0.1 whole square. Now A square plus 2AB plus B whole square. You know the formula? A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B whole square. Am I right, kids? So what we can do? We can open that bracket. How to open that bracket? We will write A square. This is already very small, so its square will be very small, so leave it. A square plus twice of AB, twice of A into B, 2 into 2S into 0.1, A square plus 2AB plus B whole square plus B whole square, and then you multiply it. So if you multiply it, once you go to multiply it, then this will become square, so it will become negligible, so leave it. And if you multiply with this one, so it is becoming square, so only this will left over there, so you can get the answer S into 0.1 square and into S. So the answer will come out how much, kids? So the answer will come out 2 into 10 is for minus 13. 2 into 10 is for minus 13. This is the answer. You got it, kids? Are you able to understand or not? If you are not able to understand, do let me know, then I will help you. आया कि नहीं आया? नहीं आया तो फिर से एक बार सॉल्व करूं. सर मैंने आज आपका थर्मोडायनेमिक्स और इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन लगाया था, क्या ट्रिक थी, मजा आ गया. अरे वाह, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. नाउ अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो शुड आई सॉल्व इट वंस अगेन? जस्ट सी, ये इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, स्क्वायर होगा, पहले ही छोटी वैल्यू है, स्मॉलर वैल्यू विल कैंसिल आउट. दिस इज इन इट्स. नाउ 0.1 square is how much? Let me write down over here. 2 into 10 raised power minus 15. 0.1 square is 0.1 into 0.1. So it is 0.01, and this S will multiply into S. So the value of S will be equal to, tell me, kids, the value of S will be, this will come down. So 2 into 10 raised power minus 15 divided by 0.01. The value is S. How much? This is 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 will go up, will become plus. So 2 into 10 to the power. So this answer will come out S is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 15 into 10 to the power 2. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 13. Am I right, kids? Minus 13. So this is the only answer. How many of you got it? कितने लोगों को समझ में आ गया? Everyone just to let me know. कितने लोगों को समझ में आ गया? Everyone just to let me know, kids. How many of you got it? Now next question. This is so simple question, you can see. Very simple question. Which one of the following salt solution is basic in nature? Now answer is in front of your eyes. Now see how to do it. Everyone just see to it. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. If I write down ammonium chloride, kids. Ammonium chloride is what type of? Ammonium chloride. Once it is going inside the water, अगर पानी में जाएगा तो ये क्या देगा? अमोनियम. अमोनियम OH के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा और ये H के साथ क्रिएट करेगा. HCl बनेगा इससे. You will get HCl और इसके साथ आपको मिलेगा अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. So you can see this is a weak base. It is a weak base and that is a strong acid. Strong acid. तो ये solution क्या हो गया? Definitely it is acidic. First one is acidic. Can you see? This is acidic solution. Now you see the second one, ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate को अगर हम देखेंगे तो ammonium NH4 whole twice SO4. Once again इसको पानी में डालेंगे आप तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? You will get ammonium hydroxide and H2SO4. Definitely H2SO4 is a strong acid. Once again it is acidic. It is acidic. Now ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate. What will you get, kids? If we talk about ammonium nitrate, NH4 NO3. Once you add to the water, this will react with OH negative, that will react with H plus. So it will form ammonium hydroxide and that will form HNO3. Once again, HNO3 is a strong acid. This I have told you in the starting. Once again, it is acidic. Acidic. Now ammonium, this is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate, if you add to the water, CH3 COONA. So now if you add to the water, this will become acetic acid and that will become NaOH. That is a strong base. Strong base. So it is basic, kids. And that's why I have told you type of salt. Is it clear to all of you? सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं आया मुझे बताओ. 27 का D. Is it clear to each and everyone? All of you are able to understand it or not? दिख रहा है कि नहीं? Slides are visible or not, kids? Slides are visible or not? Eleven. शांति मोय मंडल. अब देखिए एक काम होने लगा है. धीरे धीरे इस चैनल पे स्पैमर्स आने लगे हैं. आने लगे कि नहीं? अभी तक बाबा को कोई नहीं जानता था. धीरे धीरे स्पैमर्स आने लगे हैं. राइट? थैंक यू वरुण. मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं? सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं बच्चा लोग? जस्ट टू लेट मी नो. आई एम जस्ट सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस और सभी को सिखा रहा हूं. आई एम ट्राइंग टू टीच यू एवरीवन or I'm just solving the question. Tell me, or I'm just dealing with the questions. Everyone enjoying a lot. Sir, I am BHMS student. I enrolled in college, but wow, very good. Definitely you will rock. Yes, thank you. Now, thank you. Now see another question. Here is another question. Let's see how many of you can solve it. So let's go for this question. Let's it go for this question, kids. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Thank you, Shivam Mishra. Welcome. Welcome. Shivam Mishra, welcome. Fast, kids, fast. I want to see answer in the chat. C. Mandal is going for C. Let me check it out what others are going for. Oh, that's really awesome. That's really awesome. So C, what should be the answer? C is the correct answer. Wow, wow. Very good, Santi boys. Mandal, your answer is absolutely correct. Now let's see the molar solubility of calcium fluoride. Calcium fluoride is what? Your calcium fluoride is weaker one. So it will break like Ca2 plus twice of fluoride negative. So if I say in the starting, if its solubility is S, then it will be S, then it will be 2S. But my dear students, as soon as you are going to add molar NaF, salt of strong base, strong acid, little bit, so this will provide maximum what? Fluoride. So from here the fluoride concentration will come to this, so it will go little bit in the backward direction. So I can say S dash, 2S dash, and from here you are going to get 0.1 simultaneous solubility. Common ion effect you can say, or simultaneous solubility word you can use, my dear friends. Simultaneous solubility we can use word, or common ion effect we can say. So how to do this question? It's very simple. If you put it in this, you will get the answer KSP, the KSP representation. How to find out the KSP? This will come out. Its KSP representation is concentration of calcium 2 plus into concentration of fluoride square. Kids, this is clear. Till now it's clear. Now in place of KSP I can write 5.3 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Calcium concentration is S dash. Now its concentration is what? 2S dash plus 0.1 and 2S dash plus 0.1, and it's what? Power 2. Now you know that A plus B whole square. Same situation we have got. Earlier we did one question. Earlier we have पहले जैसा question. Yes, Santivan Mandal, पहले जैसा question. तो सब कुछ हटा दो. Now तो you know very well, सब कुछ हटा दो. जैसे हमने किया था 5.3 into 10 raised to power minus 11, और इसका स्क्वायर कर दो. स्क्वायर S dash. Neglecting rest of the things. Neglecting higher powers, neglecting higher powers, we will get just this thing. This is 0.01 and into S dash. So S dash will be equal to 5.3 into 10 raised to power minus 11 divided by 1 into 10 raised to power minus 2 is equal to S dash. This will go up plus 10 raised to power minus 9. 5.3 into 10 raised to power minus 9. So the answer is third. Third is the answer. Now it's simple or tough? Do let me know. एक बार हमने समझ लिया साइमल्टेनियस सॉल्युबिलिटी. A प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर लगा लिया, A स्क्वायर प्लस 2AB प्लस B होल स्क्वायर लगा दिया. सारी बड़ी पावर को neglected, we have neglected and we got 11 I don't know Hindi, can we take? Okay, let me solve once again. Okay, 11 wait, let me solve this question once again for you. Just wait. So see, calcium fluoride is a weaker one. Okay, let me explain once again, don't worry. Calcium fluoride is a weaker one, so I can say CaF2 will break like this, Ca2 plus plus twice of F negative. Now 11, 11, is it okay till now? Now if I say nothing is present, when time t is equal to 0, in the starting only this is present and its solubility is S, let us suppose. After time t, at equilibrium, I will say 1 mole of it. 1 mole of it is giving 1 mole of it. Whatever it was present, same it will be present. And 1 mole of it giving twice of it. This one is breaking. 1 mole is breaking, giving 2 moles of fluoride. So S is breaking, you will get twice of S of fluoride. This much is clear. 11, 11. This much is clear. Okay, simple. Okay, okay. I was thinking that my 11, 11 is not able to understand. That's why I was telling once again. Okay, okay. You were replying over there. Okay, okay. Now this one is clear. Now clear. Now next question. This one. 23rd one. Everyone focus on 23rd one. Third one. Just see to it. Third one. Okay, it was simple question. I thought that you were not able to understand, that's why. C. 11, 11 is going for C. Rest of the other students, do let me know. Now see this question, how to solve it. How to solve this question. Everyone is going for C. So same. Let's see what is the correct answer for this question. What is the correct answer for this question? Same. Let's see what is the correct answer of this question. Let's see, kids. pH of 0.01 molar NaOH solution will be. It's looking very simple question, isn't it? How to do it? 0.01 molar NaOH, its pH. Now, the concentration of OH negative is given. They have given the concentration of OH negative. How much, kids? The concentration of OH negative is, how much? 10 raised to power minus 2. 10 raised to power minus 2. Now we know that concentration of H plus into concentration of OH negative at 25 degrees Celsius, it's equal to 10 raised to power minus 14. So from here can we calculate the concentration of H plus, that is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 divided by 10 raised to power minus 2. This will go up. So it will become 10 raised to power minus 12. So we know that H plus is equal to this. So either we can correlate it with, we know the formula, that is H plus concentration is equal to 10 raised to power minus pH. So whatever is written over here, that is the pH. Whatever is written over here, that is the pH. This is the first approach. Now second approach can be there, that we know that pH is equal to minus log of H plus concentration. So we can solve it, minus log of H plus concentration 10 raised to power minus 12. So it will come over 12 log 10, log, nothing is left, 1. So into log, we got the value, right? So let's see the answer. 12 is the correct answer. Got it, kids? Everyone got it or not? Just to let me know. Clear? Simple. Or simply you can use third method. Very good, Sanuary Mandel. you could have used that this is OH negative concentration. So POH, we can use the third approach. POH is equal to 10 raised to power minus, because we know that pH is equal to H plus concentration. We know that very well. H plus is equal to H plus concentration is equal to, we know very well, right? And pH we know. So we can do one thing simply. We could have done like this. H plus is equal to 10 raised to power. So OH negative concentration, we can keep it over there, right? In this way also we could have solved it. Third approach. Number of approaches are there. We can solve this question. Is it clear to all of you kids? Now, another question on your screen. This question. Which of the following cannot act as both Bronsted acid and Bronsted base? This is a very simple question. But let's see how many of you can solve this question. It is very, very simple, kids. 24th question. 24th. Everyone just to let me know what is the answer of 24th question. Now how to solve it? You must have seen the answers. See, okay, let's see. Let's see. Everyone, we know very well that Bronsted means Bronsted acid is having one H extra. One H extra. Remember that. Bronsted acid means, Bronsted acid simply means one extra H. One extra H plus. One extra H plus. Simply, kids, it's very simple. One extra H plus. Now, this can react with H plus to form H2CO3. So this is not our answer. This can react with H plus to form ammonium, right? But this cannot react, and this can also react with H plus to form H2SO4. So I would like to say they all are conjugate base. They can behave as conjugate base. But which of the following cannot act both as Bronsted acid and Bronsted base? Both. This is having H, it can lose, it can gain. It is having H, it can lose, it can gain. It is having H, it can lose, it can gain. They can be gainer or donor, both. Gainer and donor, both. Gainer and donor, both. Gainer and donor, both. But this can only donate. Can't accept H plus. Can't accept H plus. It can only donate. Can only donate. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer. Is it clear to all of you? Third one. This is your answer. Clear to all of you? Yeah, it cannot behave as both. Everyone, those who got it, show me green hearts, green fire, whatever the green one. Everyone, have you got it? Is it clear? Clear. Now next question on your screen. Next question. Wow, this is a lengthy one. This is a really lengthy one, but you can easily kill it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's see who is going to solve it. Good question. I would like to say good question. Good question. Using mole concept, they are dealing with ionic equilibrium. Yeah. First do these questions, then we will deal with the JEE mains questions. But at least first do these questions. मजा आ रहा है? पहले बताओ मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं? When is the Rankins batch? It started in the morning. Right now you are in Rankins batch only. I will not charge money. Don't think like I will call in any special batch and you have to pay money. No. This is your Rankins batch. I will teach in the morning name reaction. I have completed all name reaction. 1111 C. Okay, let's see the answer. Wow, 1111 C is the correct answer. Now, which will make basic buffer? What is basic buffer? to have basic buffer, we should have weak base and its salt, weak base and its salt with the strong acid, Am I right, kids? That is the meaning. Now, if we talk about the first one, 50 ml, always remember that law of equivalence. That is in mole concept you must have studied. Loci, L-O-C-E. What is that? Law of chemical equivalence. That molarity into n factor into volume in ml is known as milli-equivalents. They are known as milli-equivalents. So acid will react with base in the same way. Suppose if I say here I am going to take acid and there I am going to take base. Let's see the first case. 50 ml NaOH, 50 ml NaOH, and its molarity is 0.1. So it will come out 5 milli-equivalents. Am I right, kids? 5 milli-equivalents. And acetic acid 25 into 0.1. This will come out 2.5. Who is the limiting reagent? In the first case, who is the limiting reagent? Definitely this is the limiting reagent, Lr. So its 2.5 milli-equivalent will kill its 2.5 milli-equivalent. They will combine together to form CH3COONA, 2.5 milli-equivalents of CH3COONA I will get, and this will remain 2.5 NaOH. So I am having strong base and this type. Do you think is it a buffer? No, not at all. This is not a buffer, so this is cancelled out. I'm telling you each and everything in detail. Are you getting my point? Baba is telling you each and everything in detail. Are you liking it, kids? Now let's see the second case, and let me write over here only the acid over here and base over there. Now let's see acid 100 into 0.1. Can I write 100 into 0.1 is 10 milli-equivalents, and that one NaOH 100 into 0.1, that is once again 10. No one is limiting reagent, so fully it will neutralize and only you will get CH3COONA. This is also not the answer because no weak acid is left, so this can't be the answer. Are you getting my point? Now my dear student, let's see the third one. Acid here, acid there, base. Let me see, acid and base. 100 into 0.1 is 10 milli-equivalent, and that is 200 into 0.1, that is 20. So this acid got consumed and that got consumed, so we got 10 milli-equivalent of what? Ammonium chloride, and what is left? Base is left, and base is ammonium hydroxide. 10 milli-equivalent of ammonium hydroxide is left. This is our answer. Why, kids? Because we know that very well that it is equimolar mixture of weak base and salt of strong acid. This is the best buffer because they are equimolar, and Henderson-Hasselbalch equation says that POH is equal to PKB plus concentration plus log of concentration of base, concentration of salt upon base. So this will cancel out because they are equimolar. Concentration log 1 is 0. So this is going to be the best buffer. C is the answer. Kids, everyone got it? Should I solve the last option also, or you got it? Everyone, you got it? You are able to understand, or should I solve all the examples? Do let me know, kids. Kids, fast. Kids, fast. Both consumed. Everything is clear, or should I solve the fourth one also, kids? Do let me know, everyone. Fast, fast, fast. Baba is waiting for your reply, kids, kids, kids. Got it, got it. Now another question. Very good question, I would like to say. This is a really awesome question. Try to solve it. It's a really awesome question, kids. Everyone. Fast, kids, fast. Make it out fast. Hey, everyone. Find out the answer. Try to find out the answer. C. Wow, Santimon, Mandal, solving it speedily. Now. A. 11 is going for A. Oh my God. Santimoe. Now let's see. The pH of saturated solution of calcium hydroxide is 9. The solubility product of calcium hydroxide. Now let's see one thing. If I write calcium hydroxide, so calcium hydroxide will break like what? It will give Ca2 plus twice of OH negative ion concentration, means 1 mole of it will give 1 mole of it and 2 mole of it. The stoichiometry, I am getting this. This stoichiometry I can understand that 1 raised to 1 is giving 2. Now pH of a saturated solution is 9. That means solution is saturated. That means the ionic product is itself will be known as K.S.P. If the solution is saturated, once if somebody is saying solution is saturated, saturated solution is having meaning of what? Saturated solution means that ionic product is itself the K.S.P. Are you getting this point, everyone? Now my dear friends, pH they have given. pH they have given, that means if the pH they have given, can we find out the concentration of OH negative ion? Do let me know. Is it possible from the pH? pH is 9, that means what? If pH is 9, that means what? If pH they have given is 9, so can I say at 25 degrees Celsius, its pOH will be equal to how much? Definitely 5. The pOH will be equal to 5. Can I write like this? And from here, what knowledge I am getting, if pOH is equal to 5, that means OH negative concentration ion is how much? OH negative concentration is equal to 10 raised to power minus 5. Because we know that, we know one formula very well, that H plus concentration is equal to 10 raised to power minus pH. So definitely the OH negative concentration is equal to 10 raised to power minus pOH. My students, am I right? So I have written like this. Now if I am getting OH ion concentration is this much, and we know that if this is whatever is the concentration, its half will be the concentration of this. When calcium hydroxide is breaking, 1 mole of calcium hydroxide is breaking, it is giving 1 mole of Ca2 plus but 2 moles of OH negative ions concentration. Whatever the concentration of OH negative ion is, that is the double of calcium. So if I say, if this is 10 raised to power minus 5, then this will be the half of, so can I say this will be half of 10 raised to power minus 5, and this concentration is equal to 10 raised to power minus 5. Am I right, kids? Am I making sense? So if I write down its K.S.P. values, so if I write down calcium hydroxide K.S.P., so the representation will come out calcium concentration into hydroxyl ion concentration to the power 2. So what I can write, kids, the calcium concentration I am getting 10 raised to power minus 5 divided by 2, and this concentration I am getting 10 raised to power minus 5 whole square. Am I right, kids? Am I right or not? Now, what I will get, kids? What answer I will get? Do let me know. What is the answer? A aa raha hai. Okay, let me see. This will become, now how to solve this? This I can write 5 into 10 raised to power minus 6. 1 upon 2. If I write 1 upon 2 to be 10, 10 raised to power minus 6, 5. 5 into 10 raised to power minus 6. 5 into 10 raised to power minus 6. And this square 10 raised to power minus 10. So, this will become 5 into 10 raised to power minus 16. No answer. So, can I write 0.5 into 10? This 5 into 10 raised to power minus 16. Can I write it like 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 15? Can I write like this? So, the answer is first one. Baba has solved and shown each and every step or not. Kids, do let me know. Baba is solving. Baba is really solving in a better way. Shanti, Moy Mandal, too, let me know. Baba is telling you each and every step or not. First of all, do let me know that Baba is showing you each and every step or not. First of all, do let me know. शांति मोय मंडल, टेल मी दैट मैं तुमको एक एक बात बता रहा हूं कि नहीं, क्या एक भी चीज छोड़ रहा हूं इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने में? जल्दी से बताओ भाई, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा, बताना तो पड़ेगा। शांति मोय मंडल, मुझे बताओ, मैं तुमको एक एक बात बता रहा हूं कि नहीं? क्या हुआ? 11-11, व्हाट हैपेंड? शांति मोय मंडल इज सेइंग 11-11, how you are giving that speedily the answer. He is in depression. He has gone in depression. Now, kids, first of all, do let me know, Baba is really doing a good work or not. First, I want to see few letters that see each and everything Baba is writing. Baba is writing each and everything. Just see, Baba is writing each and everything. Hey, everyone, just to let me know, Baba is telling you each and every step or not? Kids, आप लिख नहीं रहे हैं. Just to let me know. Now, another question on your screen. NEET 2018. How to find out calcium ion concentration? Should I tell you 11-11? How to find out calcium ion concentration? Should I tell you? You want that? Okay, see. In this question, if you break calcium hydroxide, just see how it will break. The calcium like this and twice of OH negative. This is the representation. Kids, this is the representation. Remember that. This is what? Everyone just see. This is just the representation. It happens like this. When it is breaking, whatever the moles it is giving of calcium, twice moles of hydroxyl ion. That is the relation. Suppose if I say what should I say and how to say? Let me take an example. Okay. Oh my God. Test tube is broken. Just to give you an example, the test tube is broken. Thank you, Arni Singh. Test tube has been broken. No problem. So if I say that if Baba is going to break his hands, then if Baba is going to break his head, not the head. So by chance Baba is a robot. So one Baba is breaking down, then how many heads will get produced? कितने हेड निकलेंगे एक बाबा के ब्रेक करने से? बाबा, लेट अस सपोज बाबा इज अ रोबोट, एक बाबा से कितने हेड निकलेंगे? वन. और कितने हैंड्स निकलेंगे? दो. नाउ इफ आई से if Baba 5 HSP Baba are there, 5 HSP Baba are there, so how many heads will you get? 5. How many hands will you get? 10. Now if somebody is saying we don't know how much Baba is there, how many HSP sir is there, how many HSP sir is there, but HSP sir has broken down and we got 4 hands, we got 4 hands, then how many heads will you get? How many heads? Baba, HSP Baba has broken down and you got 4 hands. 4 hands, then how many heads? Half. Half of 4 is 2 heads. Are you getting my point? Now you got it. Now you got it. So, I would like to say this is HSP Baba. Calcium hydroxide, you can trick his HSP Baba, and he is having 2 hands. Hands are like OH, and head is like calcium. Calcium is head. So you are getting 1 head and you are getting 2 hands. You are getting 2 hands. Now one point is clear. If 1 HSP Baba is breaking, you will get 1 head and 2 hands. Now if we know the value of hands, we can get the value of heads. So they are saying the value of hands is 10 raised power minus how much? Minus 5. So the value of head will be half of it. So half of 10 raised power minus 5 is this. So how many of you really enjoyed this one? How many of you really enjoyed? Do let me know first of all. How many of you really enjoyed this example? ये example कितने लोगों को मजा आया? पहले बताओ first of all. Do let me know. Baba's hands and Baba's head is breaking down, cracking down. How many are really enjoying it? Now, this is clear. Now let's go toward this question, and let me tell you, my dear students, let me tell you one thing. What's that thing? The thing is barium sulfate, that we don't know what is the molar mass of barium. So it's given. Then there is no problem. You can easily solve it, easily. Enjoying, really, wow, that's really awesome. अच्छा, मुझे बताओ, is there anyone who has given such type of example while teaching ionic equilibrium? Have you ever seen anyone giving such type of example, that how to do this stoichiometry, that hand and head story of head and hand? This is the story of HSP Baba. HSP Baba's head and hands. Now let's make it famous. The story of HSP Baba's head and hands. HSP Baba's head and hands story, right? Okay. Now here is your question. Now it's simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy question. Now let's see how many of you can do it. Do let me know, kids. What should be the answer? Fast. What should be the answer, kids? Or I should solve it for you. 20A, Shanti Moe Mandal, they even not interact with the students. That is the problem. That's why students are always crying and they are behaving like a beggar, that hey God, please give me rank. They are not that much confident. Teachers should talk to students what you want, how to do the question. Only Baba can do. Now let's see. Now solubility is given in gram per liter, and we know that molarity is what? Molarity formula is weight of solute in grams upon gram molar mass into volume in liters. So what they are saying, they are saying that gram per liter, this is given, they have given this value and they have given this value. So what is the required strength in gram per liter they have given. So just to find out molarity, the strength in gram per liter, this value they have given 2.42 into 10 raised power, how much 10 raised power? Do you have any question this type? Because it's missing, I think. Why it's missing? 2.10 raised power minus 3. I think minus 3. Minus 3 is over here. Minus 3. Minus 3, right? 10 raised power minus 3. 10 raised power minus 3 divided by its gram molar mass. Gram molar mass of barium sulfate 233. 233 they have given. Now molarity I have got. The value of solubility product will be, now it's very simple. Now if I say barium sulfate is breaking, so it will give whatever the number of barium, the same number of sulfate. If I say Baba HSP is breaking, Baba HSP is like a robot, and by breaking of Baba HSP you got 10 heads. That means how many Baba HSP have broken down? Definitely whatever the number of Baba HSP, same number of heads you are going to get, because one Baba HSP is having one head. Whatever the number of heads you are getting, same number of Baba HSP must have broken down. Thank you, Arrhenius. Now that means its KSP value we can write down very easily. So KSP is equal to concentration of barium 2 plus into concentration of sulfate 2 minus. So I can write down KSP is equal to S square. If this is the solubility, S square. So they are asking the solubility product. Remember that the only thing was that people will not find out. Always remember that, my dear students. Thank you ABP. Whenever weight is given, remember, whenever weight is given in gram, convert it into moles. Now convert it into concentration. Now see the power also. Then only go for KSP value. Otherwise you will get failed. Now we did all these things. So KSP, the value of solubility product will be, so whatever the concentration we have got barium sulfate, so both concentration will be same. So can I take it to be 2.44? Now mathematics, see, let's solve it easily. What should I can do? Let's make it 242. How to make it 242? Multiply by 100. So let me make it simple. How to simplify it? Calculation 242 into 10 is for minus 5 upon 233, and let me cancel out. 1 into 10 is for minus 1 and 1 into 10 is for minus 10. So approximately 10 is for minus 10. No one is having 10 raised for minus 10. Only one is having 10 is for minus 10. So what should be the answer? First one. Now see kids, if I'm solving this, if I'm going to divide this, it will take too much time and the answer is not given like that. So I have cancelled it and I have written 1 into 10 is for minus 5 square. That is coming out 1 into 10 is for minus 10 as the answer. Easy maths, easy calculation. Do let me know. It's your channel. Yes, it's your channel. Now do let me know, everyone. This simple maths Baba is doing, simple calculation. Baba is trying to make all the calculations very simple. You are able to understand or not? अमन सहनी ये सारे बच्चे ही हैं. All students are my बच्चास. अमन सहनी, ये जितने भी बैठे हुए हैं पढ़ रहे हैं, ये सब मेरे ही बच्चे हैं. ये हमारा चैनल है. Okay, now everyone got it? Is it clear? Now let's see another question. This one I think we have done. No. pH 1. pH, this is different question. This is different question. Whose pH will be 1? Let's see how many of you can solve it. NEET 2018. That was buffer 1. That was buffer 1. This is different question. Is it visible to all of you? Is the question is visible to all of you? Just to let me know, kids. Can you see everyone? They are asking whose pH will be 1. बस थोड़ा सा बचा है, 15-20 मिनट तो कर लो. शांतिमय मंडल 15-20 मिनट का बचा है. अच्छा चलो ठीक है, शांतिमय कर लो, फूड कर लो, खाना खा लो, अदरवाइज 15-20 मिनट में कंप्लीट कर रहा हूं. राइट, थोड़ा सा ही बचा है. I will complete it just in 15 to 20 minutes. C is the answer. Let me see pH 1. pH 1 आने के लिए the thing should be acidic. Let's try to solve it in the air. 60 ml 1 by 10. So this will become 60 into 1 by 10, 6 milliequivalent, and that will become 4. So this is more acidic. This is more acidic. Now 55. This will become 5.5 and that will become 4.5. Oh my god, this is also more acidic. 7.5 and that will become 25 upon 5. That will become 5. Arey bhai, na 7.5. How it will become 7.5? It is 5. 5 to 5 ekam 5 and bacha 2 pacham 25. Pacham 25 और वो बचेगा पचम 5. Oh my god. 100 ml 1 by 10, so 10 and that 10. ये तो पूरा ही खत्म हो गया. So D can't be the answer. We know that this can't be the answer. This can't be the answer. So answer इनमें से ही होगा कोई. So it is a time taking process. Should I solve it? Should I solve it, kids? Should I solve it? पूरा का पूरा solve कर दूं? Should I solve it पूरा का पूरा? Okay, let's go. Let's go to solve it. 60 ml milliequivalent, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 is 2 and the concentration is 2 upon 60 and 40, 100. 2 upon 100 is coming out 2 into 10 is power minus 2. So pH will come out 2 minus log 2. So 2 minus 0.3010. So it is 1.7 something. So this can't be the answer, right? 1.7 something. So this can't be the answer. This is for A. Am I right, kids? Am I right, kids? Now, they have given an answer to be fourth. Fourth answer. How? pH of which one of the following will be equal to 1? How fourth? Oh, C. Fourth is C. Okay, right. Okay, let's go for B. Let's go for B. B1 is indicating that 5.5 and 4.5. So 1 upon 100. 1 upon 100 is coming out 1 into 10 is power minus 2. So pH will come out 2. This is also not the answer. So C1, let's see, go for the C1. Let's solve the C1. C1 is coming 75 means 15 minus 5, 10 upon volume 75, 10 upon 100. 10 upon 100 will come out 10 is power minus 1. So the pH will come out 1. So C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Everyone got it? It is mole concept, nothing else. I would like to say it is purely mole concept. It's right. Are you able to understand? Nothing about ionic equilibrium. It is simply mole concept. Kids, do let me know, it is simply mole concept or not. It is just simply mole concept. Are you getting my point or not? Everyone, just do let me know. Everyone is able to understand, or should I solve it step by step? Those who are not able to understand, let me make it step by step. Just wait, just wait, just wait. Let me solve it in a proper way so that every student can understand. Okay, just wait. Let's see how to solve it. Wait. Write down here acid, here base. Just find out milli-equivalents formula. What is the formula for milli-equivalents? Milli-equivalent formula is normality, or normality, if you don't know, molarity into n factor into volume in ml. That's same for that. Now see, its molarity HCl, you should know HCl's n factor is how much? HCl's n factor is 1 and NaOH's n factor is also 1. So here molarity and normality are same. So can I write this to be normality into volume in ml is milli-equivalent? Yes sir. Now what I'm supposed to do, the acid 60 and volume 1 by 10, 60 into 1 by 10, that is coming out 6 milli-equivalent, 6 milli-equivalents, and the base milli-equivalent, if I say the base milli-equivalents are coming out 40 into 1 by 10, that is coming out 4. Now this is a limiting reagent, this will get banished. Now this will get banished, so who will left behind? Who will left behind? Or let me write down another way, this is more, so N of acid, V of acid is more, so minus N of base minus V of base, so 6 minus 4, that is coming out 2, that is coming out 2 milli-equivalents, 2 milli-equivalents. But we know that what is the concentration? 2 milli-equivalents is coming out of acid. So concentration of acid is equal to total milli-equivalents, upon total volume, total volume. Now see kids, total milli-equivalents are coming out 2 and total volume 60 ml plus 40 ml, 100 ml. Now H plus concentration is coming out 2 into 10 raised power minus 2. Now how to find out pH? We know that pH is equal to minus log of H plus concentration, so minus log of 2 into 10 raised power minus 2. Now log AB, we know that log of A into B formula is log A plus log B. Now this we can do, minus sign is outside, log 2 into 10 raised power minus 2. So log 2 into log 10 raised power. So let me keep this minus sign outside, log 2 plus log of 10 raised power minus 2. Now what I will get? Minus sign, let me put outside. Log 2 is 0.3010, 10 raised power minus 2. So minus 2 will come over here, minus 2, and this log 10 is 1, so 1, and this minus will become plus, and this is minus. So 2 minus 0.3010 is 1.7 something pH is coming. That's why it's not the answer. That's why the A1 is not the answer. Now kids, this I have solved at there immediately. Now I'm going slide by slide, step by step, inch by inch. How many of you are able to understand? There Baba solved it just in 1 second. Here Baba took 5 minutes to solve it. Kids, do let me know. First of all, do let me know. What's your feelings? How you are feeling it? Kids, do let me know, everyone. Now, another question. This is a really awesome question. Awesome question. I would like to say awesome question. Awesome. Let's see how many of you can solve it. Let's see how many of you can solve it. It requires brain. Just do not start with the pen. Use your brain. Use your brain. Everyone, use your brain. Brainy question. It's a brainy question, kids. Only 15 minutes more and all the questions will get completed. Only 15 minutes more, right? D. 11 is going for D. Let me check it out. The answer is, wow, D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Let's see how to solve this question. How to solve it? Concentration of the Ag. Now once again, write down this equation. That is the $1 million thing, kids. Write down this Ag2 C2O4. It will break down to give twice of Ag plus C2O4 2 minus. The same thing like that. Okay, are you getting my point? Same thing like that. Now just try to understand, everyone, what is the situation. The concentration of Ag plus ion is a saturated solution. Now they have given the concentration of Ag. Whatever the concentration of Ag they have given, that is 2.2 into 10 raised power minus 4 moles per liter. Now tell me, what should be the concentration of this? We are having hands. 11. They have given the value of hands. So what should be the value of head? Hand and head story. Tell me, 11. Everyone, they have given the value of head. Then they have given the value of hands. Now what should be the value of head? Half of it. That means its concentration will be 1/2 into 2.2 into 10 is power minus 4. Am I right? Am I right? First of all, do let me know. Am I right? You got it? Half of it. Yes. Now just put into the formula. That HSP is equal to Ag plus concentration square into concentration of oxalate C2O4 2 minus, right? Now concentration of Ag we are having 2.2 into 10 is power minus 4, and we have to do square, and its value we are having 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So how much it will come out? 2.2 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So 2.22, the value of 2 is 4 point something, like near about 5. I can write 5 into 10 raised to power minus 8 into 1.1 into 10 raised to power minus 4. So 5.5 into 10 raised to power minus 14. Anywhere it's given 5.3. So something is wrong from my side. No value is getting matched. I must have done mistake somewhere, kids. I must have done some mistake. Where I did mistake? Where 10 raised to power minus 2. That is right. minus 2. 8 4 12. अरे ठीक तो है, 8 4 12. Everything is okay. What Baba you are doing? 8 and 4 is 12. See kids, 8 and 4 is 12. What Baba is doing? 14. How 14? 8 and 4 is 12 only. Simple kids. Hey Baba. Hey Baba. Minus 12 only, right? Everything is okay. Answer is this. Right kids? See. Chat is delayed. Yes, chat is getting delayed. Now anyways, no problem. Everything is clear. This question is clear kids. Do let me know. Is it clear to all of you? The screen is proper or not? The screen is proper or not? Clearly visible whatever I am solving. Just do let me know. 11 and everyone. Screen is proper or not? Everything is visible on the screen or not? Or sometimes it's visible and sometimes it's not visible. Do let me know. Tell me. Sometimes it's visible and sometimes it's not visible. And my team, please put the Telegram link in the description. Team, please put the Telegram link in the description. Clear? Okay, clear. Thank you. Now another question. This is your homework. You can do few questions for your homework. This is your homework. You have to do it and tell me the answer in the comments. Give answer in the comment. Okay. Now, this is simple question. Try it out. It is easily you can solve it. Just try it out right now. Okay, light is little low. No, the screen is not able to catch, I think. Okay, but visible, na? 11? Yeah, light is little low, but it's visible. It's manageable, right? Now, what's the answer of this question? Because easily you can solve it. 90 degrees Celsius, they are taking 90 degrees Celsius. So definitely Kw is given 10 raised to power minus 12. So we have to take this pH scale. We have to consider this pH scale. Now find out pOH for this much monobasic acid. So it's simply you can get the answer. Nothing to do. Visible, that's visible. Yeah, it's simple question. You see the answer 10. How it is 10? The pOH is this much. So pH will be how much? Definitely pOH plus pH is equal to pH plus pOH is equal to 10 raised to power minus 12. So definitely pOH value is 10 raised to power minus 2. So pH is equal to this pOH. Where it will go? It is in plus. So it will go over there like what? So they are asking find out the pOH. Find out the pOH for 10 raised to power minus 2 molar monobasic acid. Okay. So we know that pH plus pOH is equal to 10 raised to power minus 12, and this value is given for acid. Acid, this much is given 10 raised to power minus 2 is acid concentration. So whatever is written over here, we know that H plus concentration is equal to 10 raised to power minus pH. So whatever is written over here, that is the pH. So pH value is given 2. So I can write here 2 plus pOH, and that is 12, not 10 raised to power minus 12. Then it will come out 12. 12 is equal to 12. So pOH is equal to 12. So you can get the value. This will go that side. 10 is the correct answer. Everyone got it? Everyone got it or not? It's simple question. Very simple. I would like to say it's simple Easy kill question. Now, this is your homework. You can solve it at your home and do let me know the answer in the comment section. Now, here is another question. This type of question already we have done. One question already we have done. Monobasic, monoacidic, find out the pH. Or if you want to do it right now, you can do it. Find out the pH of 0.1 molar solution of salt of a weak monobasic acid and monoacidic base. So you can see this type of question already we have done. Now, let's see how to solve it. First you try, then I will tell you. First you try, then I will let you know. Just see to it, try it out, then I will let you know what's the answer. You can solve it in the air. This question can be solved in the air. Just try to see it, everyone. Do let me know the answer. Sandeep Kumar 1111A. So let's see whose answer is correct. Oh, it's gone. 1111, your answer is right. Sandeep Kumar's answer gone wrong. It went wrong. Now see how to do it. How many of you want my help? If you need my help, then do let me know. Otherwise, you can solve it. See, just read out the question. Find out the pH of 0.1 molar solution of a salt of weak monobasic acid and monoacidic base, means both are weak. Both are being weak. Both of them are weak. That means it is a salt of weak acid and weak base. The formula I have told you, the formula for such type of salt is pH is equal to salt of weak acid, weak base, salt of weak acid and weak base. Now pH is equal to half of pKw plus pKa minus pKb. One question we have done on this formula, and this formula I have already told you. Now what we are supposed to do, half of 14 plus pK value they have given 4.8 minus pKb value they have given 5.2. Now my dear students, 14 plus half of 14 plus 4.8, 18.8 minus 5.2. So it will turn out to be 18.8. 2 गया 6 और 5 गया 18 में से 5 गया तो कितना बचा? 18 में से 5 गया 13. 13.7 half of 13.7, half of 13 is 6.5 and half of 0.7, so 0.7 is near about 0.35, so 13.5, so half of that 6.5, so 6.5 and something more than that, or simply you can solve it. 13, take it 14, 14 by 2, 7 something less than 7, nobody, this is more than, this is exactly 7, so something, you heard it. This is the formula of salt of weak acid and weak base, and salt hydrolysis. I have given you three formulas. If you remember in the starting, I have given you three formulas, right? 1111, is it clear? Clearly visible? Mahaselvam, everyone just to let me know, everyone is able to understand. 1111, is it clear? Done and dusted? Everyone just to let me know it is clear, done and dusted, clearly visible, clearly can get it. Now, another question. This you can do at your homework, and do let me know the answer in the comment. If you are not able to understand, then you can tell me. Now, this is simple question. This is actually inorganic question, but we will solve it because number of times examiner has asked this question. Examiner has asked this question, so we will do it. It's very, very awesome question, so we have to do it. Right now we have to do it. Yes, kids, yes, fast, do let me know. We have to do it right now because it's really awesome question. Oh, Pava, move aside. A. Okay, let's see what should be the correct answer of this question. Boric acid means H3. Boric acid formula is H3BO3 is boric acid. Or we can write BOH, OH, this is boric acid. Is an acid because it's molecule, Now see kids, already it is electron deficient. How I have drawn, sir, my physical chemistry is very weak. How do I cover in short time but also with precision? Sir, why you, oh my God, that I don't know. But remember that Baba is telling you simple steps. See, boron's atomic number is 5. And in the valence shell, it is having 3 electrons. So 3 electrons I have drawn over here. 1, 2, 3, 3 of its own. And 3 electrons it has got from OH. So total boron is having only 6 electrons. So O is more electron negative than boron. Its electronegativity is 3.5. If boron is going to break the bond, oxygen will take its electron. Do you think boron in a position of donating electron? Yeah, thank you 1111 for helping this bacha Muse. Do you think that boron in a position of donating electron? No. Boron is electron loving. Boron is saying, electron, ingeva, come over here, because it is electron deficient, so it cannot release anybody. So once boron is going inside the water, what it will say? It will say, hey water. It will say, hey water, I love your OH negative part. Boron will say, water, I love your OH negative, because this is electron rich. Actually, boron is not loving OH negative. Boron has fallen in love with the electron. Electron is money. So boron is saying, I will take your OH, my highness. So let's see what is happening in boron's life. Boron was having its own OH, and now one it has got from water. One OH he has got from water, and now the H plus, which is inside water, this H plus is whose H plus? Do let me know. Is this H of water or boron has donated? And this negative charge will go over there. You can write over here. This is the situation. This H plus has come from boron or from water. This is actually came from water. This H plus is donated by water, but people call it acid. They are saying, hey, you have donated water, but actually this H is not of its status, not its property. This was the property of water, so it has been donated, but water is having extra H plus, so everyone will say, hey, this H plus has come from boric acid. Now, accept OH negative from water releasing. This is the true. Hey, this is the true, because combines with proton from no, contains na. First one is true. Really liking the explanation. Are you liking this explanation, kids? Are you really loving this explanation? Do let me know. This is the blend of physical and inorganic question. So awesome question. Where is it available? If you could please. Okay, are you new? Muse? Like and subscribe. Okay, Grishma, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now see, kids, this is really nice explanation. Here is another question. So this you can do at your home. This also you can do at your home. Very simple. The solubility of AgCl with salty product. These two you can do at home, because time is moving very fast. And do let me know the answer in the comment. In the comment you have to put the answer. Now another question. This is the answer already given. Now these questions also you can do at your home, right? Homework. This is very simple question. You can see homework. You can easily solve all these questions. Now this question is also you can do at your home. Now let's go with some tough questions. This is okay. This, let's see how many of you can do it. Let's see how many of you can make it. Re-AIPMT. Fast. Fast, kids, fast. Everyone, make it out fast. I want to see the answer in the chat. Speedily, kids, speedily. Speedily, kids, fast. I want to see everyone, kids. Let's see who is going to get the answer. Fast. C. Sandeep Kumar is going for C. Let me check it out. What should be the correct answer? Which one of the following pairs of solution is not an acidic buffer? Acidic buffer means weak acid and its salt with a strong base. Weak acid and salt with a strong base. So you see, this H2CO3 is an organic acid. Remember that it's a weak acid and strong base, right? Is not N. Remember that is not N. Where you will do mistake is not N. Remember this point to be noted, not. So this is not answer because it is acidic buffer. This is actually acidic buffer, so it's not our answer, Now, phosphoric acid and sodium, it's also not our answer. HClO4, remember that HClO4 is a very strong acid. Let me tell you why HI pKa value is -10. HClO4 pKa value is also -10. Then HBr pKa value is -9. Then HCl pKa value is -7. It's like all they are being strong acid. So strong acid will not form buffer. It's being a strong acid very strong acid. So this can't be the answer, means this is not an acidic buffer. So this is our answer. This is not an acidic buffer. Now in the examination, remember that getting answer is one thing and marking answer, this is weak acid, so this is not as. Getting answer is one thing and marking it correct is another thing. If you're not able to see not, you will definitely do wrong this question, because you will see not, you will mark first one, oh it is acidic buffer, this is our answer. So remember that they haven't asked which one is acidic buffer, they are asking which is not acidic buffer. Got it? Got it? Everyone got it? C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Now next question. This is really a gem question. It will require brain. Too much brain is required. So remember that this question is really awesome question. Try to do it. This is really awesome question. Let's see who can give the correct answer of this question. Really awesome question, kids. Try to do it. Let's see how many of you can give the answer of this question. Let's see this question can be solved by how many of you, kids. These lines, read out these lines properly. These lines holds a hell lot of weightage. These lines holds a hell lot of weightage. This value, every line means a lot, kids. Every line, these lines means a lot. These lines means a lot. These lines means a lot, and these lines means a lot. Just focus on each and every line, kids. They mean really, they mean a lot. Very important lines, kids. All the lines, they are very important. Very important. The KSP, this Ag2CrO4, see the type of salt, see the type of salt, see the type of salt, and the values of KSP. Focus on the values of KSP. Focus on the values of KSP and then try to find out the question they are asking. So I am telling you where you have to focus to answer it properly. And this is All India PMT 2015 question. Kids, focus on it. It's really awesome question. Awesome Blossom 4C. Which question? Which question's answer you are telling me? Do let me know which question's answer. Everyone just do let me know which question's answer you are telling me. Fast, kids, fast. Everyone, make it out fast. Speedily, do let me know what's the answer, kids. This question only, 4C. Okay. Now, how you have given the answer? It's correct answer, but so everyone has given the answer. Now, how to do it? Remember that what they are asking, which one of the following salt will precipitate last? More is the KSP value. The one who is having maximum KSP value, that should be the answer. The one who is having maximum KSP value will be the answer if the type of salt is same. Remember that, the statement, what I am saying. If the type of salt is same, if the type of salt is same, let me tell you, if the type of salt is same, in case of same type of salt, more is the KSP value, more will be, or you say more will be solubility, more will be solubility, more will be solubility, and more time it will take to precipitate, and more time will be taken for precipitation, Now, how many type of salts are same? AgCl, AgBr and AgI, they all are same. These all salts are same. So for these three, the same fundamental thing is valid. For these three salts, the same fundamental thing is valid. If you see the KSP value of AgCl, AgBr and AgI, this is given 1.8, then given 5 into 10 to the power minus 13, and then it's given this. Out of these three, leave this Ag2CrO4. Whose KSP is maximum? Definitely AgCl's KSP is maximum. So it is having more solubility and this will take maximum time. But Ag2CrO4 is given how much? It's given minus 12. It's looking like minus 12 is less than that, so people can make a mistake. But remember that it is different type of salt. It is different type of salt because it is a salt like Ag2CrO4 when break, it will give twice of Ag plus CrO4 2 negative. Am I right, kids? CrO4 2 negative. Now if you see its KSP value will be written as Ag plus square and to concentration of CrO4 2 negative. Now if you consider all they are requiring, suppose if I say all they are 1 molar, their concentration is 1 molar. Let me, for the ease, for making it easy, let me take everyone's concentration is 1 molar. They all are having concentration 1 molar. So if I say AgCl, so Ag concentration into Cl negative concentration will be its KSP value, right? Now if I say how much Ag plus is required, so I will say the concentration of Cl is 1 I have taken, so KSP upon 1, that's it. KSP upon 1, KSP upon 1, KSP upon 1. But if you see over here, the concentration will be required, so Ag plus concentration will come out square root of KSP by 1, and square root of KSP of this 10 raised to the power minus 12 will come out 10 raised to the power minus 6. So the concentration of Ag is required in this is maximum. So this is maximum. So remember that. Don't see just the KSP values. That's why I'm marking it. Otherwise, people will people do mistake. Everywhere it is written more is the KSP value, more will be the solubility, more will be the time required for its precipitation. According to that, people will get trapped. They will write down their answer as this is the answer. They will go for B to be the answer because this is the maximum KSP. So remember that it's not like that. It's not like that, because if the salt is of same time, then the same thing will happen. Otherwise, you got it. Kids, have you got it? Have you got what I want to tell you? What I wanted to tell you, just to let me know, kids, have you got it or not? Everyone do let me know that this will be considered that who will get precipitated, that is containing equal moles of that moles have given. So that's why I have considered their molarity to be 1, and then if you're going to keep that molarity to be 1, you will get the answer AIPMT. This is really awesome question. Once it is clear, I want to see the green signal in the chat section that yes sir, we got it, we are able to understand, we are able to understand. Do let me know, kids, each and every line. I would like to say here, each and every line is really very important. It's $1 million, each and every line. Each and every line is $1 million, kids. Got it? Everyone is able to understand. Do let me know. Now, This is the answer. Now these are simple, you can do it. You can do it by yourself. All the questions done and dusted. All the questions done and dusted. We have done all the questions, kids. Each and everything is done and dusted. So my dear students, how was this session? Really, you enjoyed it? Have you solved all the questions? Do let me know, kids. Have you really enjoyed all the questions? This is all for today. Tomorrow, we will come with questions of optical isomerism or complete isomerism. So in the morning, we will come with complete isomerism questions, right? Okay, I think it is really going to help you a lot, and I have tried my level best to give you each and everything in detail, to explain each and everything in detail, to solve all the questions, even basic points, so that everyone can understand. Bye to all of you. In the morning, we will do organic questions of previous year asked based on isomerism. Okay, Jyoti. Okay, warm welcome. Bye to all of you. Good night, and share it to everyone. Sharing is caring, and if you are helping others, Almighty God is going to help you a lot. Bye to all of you. Bye. Good night, kids. Good night to all of you.